Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and a giveaway. How is everyone? Hope you're all having a lovely day and had a lovely Easter. The unboxing I'm talking about is Glossybox, and then I also have my paid box. My PR box and my paid box arrived at the same time, so I am able to do a unboxing of the PR, and then I will give away my one that I pay for. So Glossybox, if you don't know, is a monthly beauty subscription box. I'll leave all the different price points down below. You can subscribe monthly, where you can cancel at any time. You can do a 3-month, 6-month, 12-month subscription. The longer you subscribe, the cheaper you get the box for. I do have a discount code, which I'll put here for you guys. I am a member of the Glossy Circle. So as I said, one of these boxes is PR. The other one I pay for myself, and that is the one that I give away to you guys. And this one is my PR one. It says it just there, and I know because this one says PR and the other one doesn't, and the other one is also in my maiden name, so that's how I know which one arrives first. So this is the PR box. Let's have a look. I feel like it's really late this month. Is it? What date is it? It's the 10th. It's not too bad. So let's get in. I will undo the other one as well and show you what's in it in case they're different, because I don't know what versions I've got. So this one is Woke Up in Spring. I'm going to do the May sneak peek because I always get told off forgetting to do them. So if we have anything to do with it, May is going to be bright and sunny. So we're taking this warm feeling and encapsulating it in our May Let the Sun Shine Glossybox. And it all starts with the Rodials or Rodial Dragon's Blood Eye Mask. They're like the under eye patches. I love those. Okay, so hey Glossies, at Glossy HQ we're absolutely loving spring, and it almost feels like the promise of good things to come. So we're taking the beautiful skies and the bright blooming flowers of April and packaging them up in a wonderfully warm feeling that they give us into the month of Woken Up in Spring Glossybox. Delve into the box for 5 products that will be sure to brighten your day. So we'll have a look and see if we've got the same things in both boxes. So it looks like this. I don't have to be neat with this one. This one's mine. Okay, so this is the box. The first thing I've got, is a 417 Serenity Legend Hydrating Dead Sea Salt for your bath, which is vegan. I really like the packaging. It says this is a deluxe size, and this is worth £2.17. A full size is £10.24. Enriched with the unique healing minerals, these hydrating dead sea salts are all you need for a perfectly pampering bath, providing the ultimate spa experience that will leave you feeling refreshed with soft and smooth skin. These salts will also enhance your skin's ability to retain moisture, assist in the renewal of skin cells, which minimise the inevitable signs of aging. So I'm all down for that because I don't want to be old. I'm fed up of getting old. Let's see if they have a smell. They do, but it's very just like a spa. Like, I can't pick a scent out, but it's really nice. Apply 2 full teaspoons into the bath, allow it to dissolve. I've only just started to use bath salts. A girl I watch on Instagram, Beth and Webb, who is Bethy Thunder on YouTube, she does like Bethy's bath time, and she always puts salts in, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it, and I did, and I loved it. Thank you to her. Next we've got a Sophia and Mabel eyeshadow quad in the cutest packaging ever. This is cruelty free, distributed in the USA, made in China, it says on the back. This is full size, £25, that's tiny. Who doesn't love a gorgeous eyeshadow palette? The beautiful palette is perfect for everyday wear with 4 university flattering shades, featuring a mix of both satin and matte shimmer tones. This palette will give your eye makeup a natural effortless finish. So let's have a look. I've never heard of this brand. 25 quid is a lot for a little tiny quad, isn't it? Like, that can't be right. 25 quid. Like, my Morphe palettes, I can't fucking get them out now because they're in my piss and drawer. But like, okay, a Revolution palette, they're like a tenner. That's just, that blows my mind. That just seems ridiculous. Am I being weird? Is that not ridiculous? Beautiful, absolutely beautiful colours, but that just seems insane. £25 for 4 eyeshadows. They look really nice. Like, You've got a really pretty baby pink that's matte, a shimmer, like a metallic pink, and then you've got a dark chocolatey brown. I mean, they're nice, but like not 25 quid's worth. I think that's just ridiculous. The Morphe palettes that are like 35 shades are like 25 quid. That just, I don't know. I think I can get a Fenty palette for less than that. I don't know. I'm probably just out of touch with the kids these days because I'm old as shit. Next up, DWTN Paris, created in Paris, 12 degrees something. Full size, £19.58. This is natural and totally vegan blush. Oh, it's a liquid blush. Let's have a little look at you. Ooh, she is bright. I will probably use that as a lip colour, because that's quite orange. My very pale complexion could not handle wow, that's stainy. I don't think I can, that's not the right colour for me, but that will be really nice on my lips, I should think, just on top of like a balm for a little bit of a colour. Never heard of that brand either. I like trying new brands. That does appeal to me because you never know, you're going to find something awesome. So yeah, interesting. Let me grab the last two things. So I've definitely had one of these before. I don't know where I've had it from though. Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Morning Dew. Cleanse, uplift and brighten your complexion. Packed with superhero ingredients, this gentle cleanser will soon be an essential step in your skincare routine. Black winter truffle extracts fortifies the skin. Papaya extract also brightens. This is deluxe mini worth £1.98. Full size, it's £18.29. Seems nice enough. Made in Italy. Skin & Co. Roma. A cleanser. I'll give that a go. And then last, oh my god, it's another eye cream. People are not going to be happy about that. It's another eye cream. £4.77. This is full size. Feel Free is the brand. Antioxidant eye contour cream with hyaluronic acid, coffee, lemon and apple extracts. That sounds lovely. Cruelty free, recyclable, all the good stuff. Hydrating the under eyes whilst also eliminating small lines around the eyes. The antioxidant eye contour cream is a dream. Combination of hard-working skincare ingredients including hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, lemon, mint and more. Help to balance, tone and brighten your delicate under eye area. So that is the box. That is my PR box. So let's have a look and see what is in the box for the giveaway. I am currently trialing, you might not know this, you're going to be like, what are you talking about? Talk about the giveaway. This is going to be for the giveaway. I have my own business. I've started a cake business, again, postal cakes all around the country. I'll leave a link if you want to have a look. But I'm currently doing some market research to find out what everyone's favourite flavour cookie is. So if you want to win this box, see, seamlessly into the giveaway talk, please leave a comment down below with what your favourite flavour cookie is. And your Instagram handle or email address, something so I can identify you and contact you if you win. I will pick a winner on the last day of April. But yeah, like this video, subscribe, leave a comment. All the rules will be down below. But let's have a look and see what is in your box. I'll try and be more gentle with this one, just to see if it's exactly the same. I'm not even going to open it. I'm just going to have a look. So we've got the salts, the eyeshadow, the eye thing. Yeah, it's exactly the same as my one. So I'm not even going to open that, just because then it is completely sealed, ready for you when you win it. But yeah, this is the box that I pay for, which is why I'm giving it away to you. Yeah, I'll leave all the information you need down below. Please just let me know your favourite cookie, because it's nice to have market research. I'd love it if you went over and followed me on my cake Instagram or any of my Instagrams. That would be really, really nice. I'll leave the cake one down below for you guys. But yeah, thank you for watching. Thanks to Glossybox for sending me my PR box, and I will see you very, very soon. Good luck, and I can't wait to hear about all your cookies. Bye.